What's up, y'all? You tuned in to Sherry the Berry TV. I am your girl, Sherry. Okay, so I am here to tell you all about this product right here. This is a Bath and Body company, and it's called Olive Bath and Body. It's black owned, A+, because we love black owned businesses. Ain't that right? That's right. So let me tell you what I like and what I noticed when using these products. First of all, I got the lavender scent because I wanted to use this at night. It's not nighttime right now, but you know, I got a baby, so I can't do stuff at night. I do stuff when it's convenient, you know. But at night, you know, you want like a lavender scent to put you to bed, put you at this, you know, calm, nice, soothing state before going to sleep, you know. So first of all, when showering, you get this aroma of like lavender. It's like, if you, obviously your bath don't get steamy when you get in the shower, and using that smell, it really just calms you. It's real lavender. The scent is pretty strong. I don't like a lot of like scented things. I did feel clean after using it. Don't get me wrong, it smells great and that lavender scent is really nice, but I just feel like it's a little too strong. If you use it for more than like 5 minutes, I was like, okay, let me just use it towards the end of my shower routine, and then like I feel like that's a good like finisher. Even when I like just wet my hands, it's a good lather. Ooh, ASMR. Hold on. Let me let this car go back. Alright. But it's a good lather. It gives some good suds, but like right now it's strong. Like it's a nice strong lavender scent. If you don't mind like scents like that, this will be perfect for you. And it's not extreme. Please don't get me wrong, like it's gonna be like give you a headache. Like I don't think it's gonna give me a headache. I just think it's pretty strong, especially because I went in with my scrub, which is also lavender. So let's get into that one. Yeah, so this scrub is also very potent with the scent, but I like this because the scrub is not super hard. Like some scrubs, it feels like beads and rocks sometimes. Like sometimes scrubs can feel like some rocks. I know you like, girl, what scrub you been using? I don't know, I don't remember the name of it, but I feel like some scrubs I use, it feel like actual rocks is in there and it feel too exfoliating. And sometimes I feel like the sugar just gets super like glassy. If y'all know, y'all know. But I really love this one here. So it's real soft. I'm gonna put a little water on my hands. Don't judge me, judge yourself. Yes, I'm by my tub. Okay, so I just put a little water on it and it just feels so soft, and it made my skin feel super soft when using it on my legs. I love the softness of it, and it's not just like just scraping at your skin, taking off them dead cells, them dead skin cells, and also just moisturizing it as well. Like that combo is great, and I really like this. I can see myself using this like once a week. It said to use it 1 or 2 times a week. And also to use those gloves, I think the exfoliated gloves, but I don't have any. But it did well with just my hands. It's made with organic sugar canes. I think this is the organic part that makes this so soft, because sometimes the other sugar is gonna make you, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be like glass. Grapeseed oil, lavender essential oils, and vitamin E oil. I like this. It's a strong scent, but I like this. And then we're gonna go into the oil. This oil has lavender beads in it, so you already know the smell. That scent is just very potent. You can see it in here. I'm not the biggest fan of it. It kind of freaks me out. Like maybe that's just me. I'm crazy. I get freaked out about like little like circles or like clustered up things. Like I just get freaked out about stuff like that. I just feel like it's a lot. Like I feel like it could have been like just a few less. I like how it's in there because like I said, it keeps the scent very strong, which is like super dope. You want your scent to last. You don't want it to smell potent and then 3 months from now it just smell like oil. I love the hydration on it. It is a soft oil. It's not super thick and it's not greasy. I like it. I'll probably just take some of the buzz out just so I just won't be freaked out, you know? Like I'll just like kind of drain it and like take it out. This kit will definitely have you feeling real relaxed, because right now I'm feeling real relaxed. It is like raining outside, so I feel like climbing in my bed and just going to sleep. Olive Bath & Body is a black-owned bath and body shop. These products are handmade and made with natural herbs and oils. Each product is non-toxic and you can buy your soaps, your scrubs, your bath salts, and more, so check it out. This is just a great line. You definitely want to include this into your nighttime routines. Either the scrub or the oil I would definitely recommend. And the top one I would definitely recommend is the scrub. Very soft, very hydrating. Like I said, made with organic sugar cane. So I feel like that definitely plays a role in it. I know you want to feel nice going to sleep. I know you want to feel nice and rested. I know you want to feel nice and calm. To rate these products though, I would give this line 7 out of 10. It understood the assignment. Me personally don't like the huge scent, but if you do, that will be perfect for you. It did the job. It made you feel calm. It made you feel very nice. Individually, a 9, a 7, and a 6 out of 10. You already know. That is that on that. I will have everything listed down below, their Instagram and their website, so you can get you some if you want to be nice and relaxed at night. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Sherry the Berry TV. And if you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again.